It's me, Mikey Pipes. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of how we do things over here at Pipe Doctor, plumbing, heating, and air conditioning. If you'd like a hat, details in the description box down below. This service call came in yesterday as an emergency, and I said, "Listen, lady, it's 55 degrees out. Don't pay for an emergency service call. We'll be there tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock sharp." She goes, "Okay, cool, thank you." So here we go. Go into the service call. Second floor of the house, no heat. All right, let's get going and see what's going on. Timer flash 7 times. BTU system. You ain't testing, you're guessing. Hi. Good morning. Here for the heat?
Yeah.
Okay. Lead the way. No heat upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. Two thermostats?
You know, the country's bad, and it was working, and it's working, and it's working, and it's not.
Okay.
And it's dimmed. It came back. It went back up last night.
It came on last night?
It came on yesterday, yeah. But it keeps going on and off, so I don't know.
All right, let me, is it right now, is it warm or hot right now? The radiators.
What was it on? It's not.
Okay. All right. All right, how do I get to the basement? Downstairs? Around the corner. Okay, thank you. This must be the landlord. Hi, this is Mike.
Lights right there. The switch is right there on the wall in front of you.
Hi, ma'am. We were able to gain access inside the house, so we're checking it out now. Thank you. You're welcome. I do now. You're very welcome. My pleasure. All right, bye. We have an old Hydrotherm. Wow, looks actually in beautiful shape too, by the way. 1973. Wow. Old. All right, now we have she said no heat upstairs. Where is what I'm looking for? Oh, wow. Look at those zone valves. That's impressive. Check out those zone valves. ElectroZone. Well, I think, by the way, she wasn't wearing anybody's t-shirt, right? I think we have a defective thermostat. We need a flat screwdriver. Here. Take that one out and that one out. Just be careful, that's mercury.
Okay.
Now, that's line voltage. All right, let's see. Careful with that. Let's get the non-contact electrical tester first. think this is line voltage. I really don't think so. All right, we only have minimal voltage here, like 12 volts, so it's low voltage. Let's get a thermostat. Okay. White Rogers Series 80 from the truck. The ones I just had you check to make sure we had.
Okay.
All right. Thermostat's in. Let's go see if it's working downstairs on that boiler. There it is. Oh. Turn that one off. Oh. This is the one. Okay. Now, let's make sure the end switch for the second floor keeps the boiler on. This is a temperature. Oh yeah, it's a temperature. It's hot though. Where's the return? Where is the return? It's gonna be this one. That's hot as F. Circulator's running. So wait for it to fire back up. I'm gonna do a combustion test with the Testo 320. And while we're waiting, let's just go over a few things. This is the expansion tank. This goes in my pocket. I collect magnets from others. We have a 30 PSI relief valve. We have an old auto air vent. This is by American Tube and Controls. See that? You're not going to see this anywhere except in museums. Here's our high limit aquastat. Here is our millivolt gas valve. There's only one tube for pilot. Hydrotherm. Say 145,000. This is the HC 145. Okay. Here's our Takeo 007 circulator. This is our ElectroZone. It's a relay. The 2 zone valves. ElectroZone. That is an antique. Let me tell you. If we got to replace zone valves, it's going to be quite an expense. All right, so that was a good sign. I have the first floor thermostat off and only the second floor on.
So we know it's calling now.
So we know that at least I have electrically a good system. All right? Because if the boiler didn't come back on, the circulator wasn't running, and my second floor thermostat is on, now I have to deal with zone valve issues, right? Or electrical issue. And wow, they don't make them like this anymore. But if I had a problem with the zone valve, you're gonna have to rip it all apart. At that point, I might as well take out this Hydrotherm and give them a brand new Whale McLean CGA4, for example, which is the appropriate size for the houses, and have a nice day. And repipe it all in and new. Okay, so let's see if there's a hole in the flue pipe for a combustion test.
A little hole right there.
Look at that. Someone did a combustion test on this boiler once before. Okay? All right, Peter Pan has the Testo 320. He's going to stick into the hole, which a little bit too short.
Yeah.
Got to drill a new hole, and you should make it about 6 inches off the top of the boiler. We drilled a new hole. It's easier. Let's see what kind of numbers we got here. I'm willing to wager sky high CO. Willing to wager. If you see that number start climbing like 500, hit clipboard immediately and pull it out. Old Hydrotherm. Wrong orientation. Expansion tank. Battery warning?
Yeah.
Wow. impressive. Are you halfway in the flue?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very nice. Hope you enjoyed that. They are very lucky that those zone valves weren't the problem. ElectroZone. Wow. I have never in my life seen that. Fortunately, it was just a thermostat. Put on the White Rogers Emerson Series 80, and we're good to go. And we even did a combustion test, and believe it or not, that old Hydrotherm still kicking like a champ. We gave that old mama some more life. You'll love it. All right, guys. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.